Hello my dear students, how are you? I think you are fine and enjoying my online videos. Students, today I want to discuss with you something which is very important. Okay, tell me, who like to study? Yes? No one? Yes, no one wants to like to study daily, open your books and copies. So I want to share one tips. First of all, make a routine about to sit 1 hour. You just sit. Don't write or don't read. Just sit with your books. Just turn the pages and only 1 hour. Okay, let it be 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes you just turn the pages. You just see the book and close it. And next day again the same time 30 minutes, and next day, and then again the next day 30 minutes. Just make it a habit daily. Just for 30 minutes take the book and copies and just read, or you can write, or you can make a drawing, or you can make anything that you like. Okay, just do it. I think it will become a habit, and afterwards you will see the changes. You will see the changes that you find interest in the subjects. You find interest in the English or maths or science or EVS or any other subject that you like. Yes, students, do it from tomorrow. I think this will become a very good habit for you. And student, if you like my videos, please subscribe it and hit the